PC Platinum delivers the power you need when you need it. No maintenance, no downtime, one flat monthly price. With PC Platinum, you get reliable power and predictable cost, all built for the way your fleet runs. As a PC Platinum customer, you receive certified DEKA batteries in the optimal 0 to 3 year age range, ensuring strong, dependable performance. And every battery is replaced every 24 to 36 months. One flat monthly price covers everything: batteries, inspections, repairs, replacements, and scheduled maintenance, including watering. With PC Platinum, there are no contracts, no capital expense, and your rate is locked in for 36 months. You can return the batteries anytime with no penalty, giving you true month-to-month flexibility. And if a battery underperforms, IBP replaces it immediately at no cost to you, giving you maximum uptime and consistent power every shift. Customers who switch to PC Platinum see real results, lower maintenance costs, and greater reliability across their fleet. Get your free fleet evaluation today at shopibp.com and see how easy reliable power can be for you.